Hi, I'm Sabina from Contabo. Today we are diving into Ansible automation and how you can use it to streamline server provisioning and configuration management across your infrastructure, whether you're managing one VPS or a fleet. Server provisioning means getting a server ready for use. That includes installing the operating system, configuring users, setting up services, applying security rules, and more. It's the first and most essential step in building any environment. But doing all that manually every time, it's time-consuming and error-prone. That's where Ansible comes in. Let's start with the Ansible setup. On most Linux systems, you can install Ansible with this simple command. Once Ansible is installed, you define your server configuration in something called a playbook. Here's a basic example that installs NGINX. Your inventory file lists all your servers. Once that's set, you run this. And just like that, your server is provisioned automatically. This is the power of Ansible automation. You define everything once and deploy it again and again with consistency and speed. Some common use cases: provisioning VPS servers for web hosting, setting up development or staging environments, deploying applications, or configuring databases and load balancers. With Ansible, you get repeatable, scalable server provisioning and easy configuration management. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for growing projects. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!